Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or imposters who use my content, copy my titles, or trolls or imposters who mimic what I say while wearing cat mask. And this is Burgh unboxing. And this comes in from, I don't know who. Of course, I always check these out before I open them. Let's see, there's a slip here for once. And it says what it do be. And, hi, George, enjoy your gift from P. So, I don't know who P is. So, we will take the box. I did clean up my kitchen, the left side of the kitchen counter by the sink, and I did all my utensils during the morning. All right, we have a box of Pringles 27 variety pack, 6 original, 6 sour cream and onion, 6 cheddar cheese, 3 barbecue, 3 pizza, 3 cheddar sour cream. Well, I cannot eat sour cream because it makes me sick to my stomach. So let's go open this up. I will give those to Kathy. I might give one each to my neighbors. They're all freaking out over the lockdown. My one neighbor has no bottled water. You're allowed to walk your dog, go to the store to get food if there's any food, go to the pharmacy to get medication, and go to the doctor if it's an emergency. But my doctors in San Francisco, General Medicine, they're canceling all walk-in appointments. They're going to do everything online on video, if you have a way to get video to see a doctor online. So I don't know how that's going to work out. Okay, I thought these would be those long tubes. This is what they look like. These are little cups of potato chips. So I didn't expect this. There's cheddar. There's the barbecue. Here is the cheddar cheese. Never had the cheddar cheese or the barbecue, I think. I can't remember. Here's the pizza. And let's see what else is here. Here is the original. Whoops, I just dropped the original. It just flew out of my hand. Alright, bad chips. Here's the original, already pre-broken for your eating pleasure. And here is the sour cream and onion. So I will give some of these to Kathy and maybe give one apiece to my neighbor. Alright, there it is. And of course, I'll have to do a tasting of these. So you got 24 here. Well, thank you, Pete, whoever sent these. It is most appreciated. I've got ramen, but I'm sick of ramen. And the granola bars were going to Kathy, and now I can't go bring her chocolate. I miss seeing my sweetie. So the lockdown is till April 7th. I'm going to go babble in here by then because there's only so much YouTube that I can watch. Which is why I wish I had my iPad and regular Wi-Fi, because then I could watch DirecTV Now. Yeah, this one's also crunched. So, well, I'll put these in a bag, give some of them to Kathy, and give some to my neighbors. All right, thank you again for this. This has been Burgh Unboxing. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. It is 6:09, warm and sunny still in Martinez with absolutely no wind, and all the kitties, outdoor kitties, have been fed, including Bully. And pretty gray, tiny one, orangey, mama cat kitten. So that's who got fed. Okay. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay warm and dry or cool and dry. And stay safe in the age of Bay Area lockdown. Bye-bye for now. I got to move all this stuff because I can't get to my mouse. Have a good night.